Good day, everyone. My name is Peter Emanje Adaviluku. I am a GIS analyst and I offer services in installation, training, data acquisition, data integration, and data analysis. Today, I want to show you how to extract streams or drainages from digital elevation model. To do that, let's go to our ArcGIS interface. On our ArcGIS interface, let's add our digital elevation model by clicking on this icon. I have many digital elevation model, but the one that I want to use is this Jcon. You click on the one you want to use, you add. So we have added the digital elevation model into ArcGIS interface. So the next thing now is we go to our Arc2 box, go to Spatial Analysis tool, go to Hydrology. The first thing to do is to fill. You click on fill, click on this drop down, add our digital elevation model, then connect to folder where you want to save. In this case, I want to connect to my folder on desktop, which I label tutorial. Click on that, then you name it. Let's just name it fill, and you click save, you click OK. The process is running background, so it's done. So the next actions is to do flow direction. You click on flow direction, then in this case it is this fill we are using as our input service raster. Click on fill, then let's connect our folder, the same folder tutorial, and call this flow directions. Click save and click on OK. The process is running background. Now our flow direction is done. The next thing to do now is flow accumulation. Double click on flow accumulation. In this case, we are using our flow direction as the input direction raster. Then we connect to our folder and name it flow accumulation. Flow accumulation. Click on OK. Click on OK. The process is running background. So our flow accumulation is done. So now we can double click here to go to properties of this layer. What we want to do is just to enhance the visualization of this layer. So go to the properties, symbology, go to here and choose histogram equalize and click OK. It's just to enhance the look. Let's uncheck this so that it will not be. So it's just to enhance the flow accumulation. Now the next thing to do now is to go to conditioner. You click on con, then we are inputting our flow accumulation here. Flow accumulation. Now this expression, you write value greater than, you choose your own value, but in this case I'm choosing 500. Then the input through raster or constant value, just put 1. Then the folder where we want our output to be is this, the same tutorial folder. Let's just call this one con, then save, then click on OK. So the process is running back. So it's done. Our con is done. Con flow accumulation is done. Now let's uncheck this. Then the next thing to do now, this is our stream, but as it is now, is almost not visible to us. So the next thing to do now is to zoom in and see how the streams look like. This is how it looks like. From here you can change the color. You can change the color for better visualization. This is the string. However, we need to convert it from raster to polyline for final process. So to do that, we go to our data conversion tool. So go to conversion tool, and we're from raster to polyline. You click on raster to polyline. Then here it is this con. Then here you connect to your folder and name it string or whatever you prefer. Then this background value, you call it, you choose no data. Here is optional, and you click on OK. So the process is done. The stream is extracted. Now you can change the color to this color for better visualization. This is the streams. We've been able to extract the streams from the DEM. However, you must take notes that the value I choose the other time in the expression was 500. Has it been I choose like 1000, the streams will not have been plenty as this one. This is how to extract stream from digital elevation model. Once again, thank you for watching this video.